Welcome back to another vlog. I'm here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Today is Monday, so it's halfway through my trip. To breakfast we are headed to now. Breakfast is done. A little full, I ate a little too much. That's the problem with all-inclusive resorts, you eat too much. But today, so like I said, we were headed to Ocho, Rios, which is about an hour and a half, 80 kilometers to the east. So we have a taxi guy, tour guide planned to take us there leaving at 10. So right now it's like 9. So about an hour to kill, and then we're gonna go head out. All right guys, so I'm on the walk bridge right here, the Caribbean Sea out behind me, and there is my beautiful resort that I'm going to. So it is quite windy out here. It is actually a windy day. You're actually doing, look at that. There are people doing sailing, right? Sailing, because it is about 5-mile-per-hour winds, but it feels a little bit more when you're on the ocean. But look at these waters. Look at these clear, crystal waters, both sides. Just wow. Just wow. So this is the farthest out you can go. This is the gazebo right here. Caribbean Sea all around. People doing some sailing. Here is the beach, and here is the El Grande Resort, Montego Bay. So these are the cabanas they can rent for about $150 a day if you want. And this is the main entrance to our tower. Villas on both sides, and the ocean right behind you. So guys, we took one of these rental cars with the driver guy, and he stopped here at this like outlook on the highway on the way to Ocho Rios. So this is the view. So guys, there's a little museum right at the side of the main road. This is where Christopher Columbus landed here in Jamaica, so they have some artifacts and stuff right on some of this bay right here. And there's a lot of houses all around the coast and then the mountains. So guys, we are here at the Dunn River Falls in Ocho Rios, about an hour and a half from our resort. And I think the falls down there comes from the top of the mountain all the way to the ocean. Are you excited for this?
Yeah.
Did you go to my beach?
No.
You don't go to my mine. No. Who don't get here?
This is, so guys, we've made it at the midsection of the Dunn River Falls right here, and there are the falls. So guys, this is the world famous Ocho Rios Dunn River Falls. So basically, you go over there, you start climbing, you climb all the way up to the top. You have to have like water shoes, bathing suits, and everything to climb, which I don't. So we're just gonna go to the viewing deck and see how it is. So we just finished up the falls here. My brother went in, so he's gonna show you some of the footage, but yeah, there's also a beach here. Now we're just gonna go see more of Ocho Rios, but it is a very nice fall, and it's nice that you can climb it. Remember to come with like water shoes, bathing suits, and other stuff. So this is the start of the waterfall. So 2 waterfalls come down, merge into one, and you go all the way down.
Guys, look at the view on the fall. Right now I'm on the fall. I'm getting soaked though, but it's so nice. We have made it to the town of Ocho Rios. Pretty nice town. We just passed like a market where there's a lot of stuff to buy, like souvenirs. So now we're just going to find some coconut water. That's one of the ships that are docked here in Ocho Rios. MSC. Got some coconut water on the side of the road. Tastes great. Great. Alright guys, so we just got back from Ocho Rios. We're just gonna have some lunch. Seems pretty nice outside. Great view while we're eating lunch. Oh yes.
Haven't seen you guys in a while. I know you guys can't see me, but we went to the pool, beach. Now I showered. Now I'm gonna go to the gym, and then we have dinner at the Pierside restaurant. So that should be cool. So right now we're just walking to the gym. All right, guys. So this is the Pierside Asian restaurant. As you guys can see, that is the ocean right there. It's pretty dark, but this is the Pierside Asian restaurant. So this is the menu. We have some other special food coming for us, but this is the menu right there. Arlo, are you excited for this meal?
Yeah, I got my chopsticks ready.
Yeah, they got chopsticks. Everything else is all ready. Very nice.